Hey everyone, I'm Sean Davis, and today I'm going to go over how to get started with LiveGood, step-by-step guide. People often ask me, how do I actually get started with LiveGood? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, from joining as a member to deciding whether you want to become an affiliate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to get started. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose how you want to join. The first step is deciding how you want to join LiveGood. There are two options. You can join as a member if your goal is to purchase wellness products at exclusive member pricing. Or you can join as an affiliate if you'd like the option to share the products or business opportunity and participate in the compensation plan. Choose the option that best fits your goals. Step 2. Create your account. Once you've selected your option, complete the enrollment process by creating your account. After your registration is complete, you'll have access to your LiveGood dashboard. From there, you can manage your membership, update your account information, place product orders, and access the features available to you. Step 3. Shop at member prices. After joining, you can browse the LiveGood product catalog. As a member, you'll have access to exclusive member pricing on the company's wellness products. One of the benefits of LiveGood is that there is no required monthly product purchase. You simply order the products you want when you want them. Step 4. Receive and enjoy your products. Once you place an order, your products are shipped directly to you. From there, you simply use the products as part of your normal wellness routine. Many people join LiveGood only for the products and the member savings, and that's perfectly fine. Step 5. Decide whether you want to share LiveGood. After you've had the opportunity to experience the products, you can decide whether you want to share LiveGood with others. This step is completely optional. Some members simply enjoy the discounted products. Others choose to tell friends and family about their experience. There is no requirement to build a business. Step 6. Become an affiliate. Optional. If you decide you'd like to share LiveGood as a business opportunity, you can become an affiliate. Affiliates receive access to a personalized referral website, marketing tools, training, resources, an affiliate back office, and customer and team management tools. These resources are designed to help affiliates share LiveGood with others. Step 7. Share your referral link. As an affiliate, you'll receive your own referral website. You can share your referral link with people who may be interested in the products or the optional affiliate program. If someone joins through your referral link and you satisfy the requirements of the compensation plan, you may be eligible to earn commissions and bonuses as described in the official compensation plan. Now, Step 8. Build at your own pace. Some affiliates focus on referring customers. Others choose to introduce both customers and new affiliates. How much time you invest is entirely up to you. Like any business, results vary and depend on many factors, including effort, consistency, customer demand, and individual circumstances. There are no guaranteed earnings. That's how you get started with LiveGood. It begins with choosing whether you want to join as a member or an affiliate. From there, you can purchase wellness products at member pricing. Enjoy the products, and if you choose, participate in the optional affiliate program. If you'd like to learn more or get started, visit livegood.com/Sean Davis, SeanDavis, or LiveGood Sean, LiveGoodSean.com. Thank you for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to get started with LiveGood. Have a good day.